Welcome to this new video, which is going to be slightly different. This time I'm going to feature 3 of Dad's M7 tank engines, but also look more closely at the coaching stock they're working with. The versatile Drummond M7 was derived from his North British Railway 157 class from 1877, which itself was an enlargement of the London Brighton and South Coast Railway D1 class. In all, 35 M7s were fitted for push-pull working. Built between 1897 and 1911, the class was initially used as an express passenger locomotive, but went on to be the mainstay of many secondary routes right up until May 1964, when the last members of the class were withdrawn. Only 2 of this 105 strong class have survived into preservation. The 2 models in action are 111, the hybrid Hornby body with scratch-built chassis, and the Triang hybrid with extra details and again a scratch-built chassis. Full information about the models is available in the Southern Album New Editions introduction video, link at the top right here. Now, as number 29 slows to a stand and makes ready to run round its train, we will take a close-up look at the coach set behind it. This set was made by Dad by converting some Triang Great Western clerestory coaches, and is presented as set number 793 as used on the Hayling Island or Hayling Billy line. They are an example of Billinton's design for the London Brighton and South Coast Railway and were known as arc roof coaches. Information is hard to track down. However, on the box, Dad has a photo of set 793 at Havant in 1935 and states that they were 57-foot design. This, however, is the later Southern conversion, as they started off as 48-foot. It's not clear if this set was withdrawn in the 50s or not, but maybe someone can confirm this. They were built around 1900. Let's watch now as number 29 takes set 793 for a run. Maybe more use to a little terrier locomotive really. Now M7 111 comes into view with a delightful set of 3 London South Western bogie coaches, set number 54. While the set includes a 42-foot all-third centre coach, in reality, when in use on the Hayling line, the set was run as a 2-coach train, with the brake being 45 foot long. Known as ex-London South Western Panther arc roof coaches, they were possibly a southern rebuild and were in use from the 1920s well into the 1950s. Again, the set was made by converting Triang clerestory coaches. Finally, the beautifully smooth all Hornby M7, also numbered 111, propels its classic push-pull train of the era. Set number 436, known as flush-sided coaches. This time another type of Triang coach was used as the basis for this conversion. I think the set was loosely based on a London South Western ironclad set built under Maltzell in 1925. Now, as we've spoken about the Hayling line, were you aware that in the early 1900s a push-pull coach was tried on the line? It proved unpopular due to lack of capacity. Push-pull, or pull-push on the Southern, was used extensively, saving the need for the locomotive to run round its train. M7s were very comfortable on this kind of work, and could sometimes be found sandwiched between two pull-push sets, such that the loco never had to push more than 2 coaches. Well, that's the end of this video. The next one is well underway, and promises to be a treat. Take care for now.